Hi, we're going to be talking about finance and why it is the best major offered at IU. But before we do that, some quick background. Finance is basically the management of money. You can use it to keep track of the value of money.
You can also use it to price assets based on risk and expected rate of return.
First big question, why is finance helpful or important? Well, after earning a degree in finance, you'll be prepared for a challenging career in corporate or international finance or investments or banking.
You'll also learn skills used to succeed in brokerage, credit analysis, financial analysis, portfolio management, international banking, trading, security analysis, international investments, international finance analysis, and private wealth management, which gives you an array of options for a career.
This leads into the great career opportunities in the following areas. The first one being corporate finance. We already talked about these about 5 seconds ago. But corporate finance, you get the opportunity to work in a financial analysis or in the treasurer's office of a corporation or nonprofit.
You can also make investments, trade and manage stocks, bonds, derivatives, and other securities working in brokerage, security analysis, and portfolio management, trading, or wealth management.
Banking is another one. You can work for an investment or commercial bank or other intermediate institution as a branch manager, loan officer, credit analyst, or investment banker.
International finance. You can work either outside the United States or an international division of a multinational corporation specializing in cross-border investments, currency hedging, or tax planning.
On the personal finance side of things, you can also make your own money grow, either through stock market, stuff like that. Actually, last year, senior year of high school, my econ class, we took a field trip to the New York Stock Exchange. It was really interesting seeing all the investors running around on the floor, buying, selling stock. It was really interesting, and it also looked incredibly fun to be on the floor, being able to partake in the actions.
It also helps people accomplish their financial goals, so it is very rewarding.
Also, having a background in finance makes you look very well-rounded. Always looks good on a resume.
Alright, what makes finance fun? Again, like mentioned earlier, it's a very rewarding job, which helps as long as you feel like you're doing something positive, and it'll make you want to work at that particular job. And it's also rewarding to help a company grow financially because you're helping that business succeed directly.
Every day is a different day. You meet with all types of people of different origins, ethnicities, income levels, whatever you can think of.
It also
Everyone's
helps.
different.
Sorry. It also helps with networking because you meet all those people, which means you always have an availability of jobs to go to.
And the hours are flexible. Who doesn't like that?
How can Kelly help you reach a finance degree? Well, the Department of Finance at Kelly is one of the top ranked in the nation, which helps a lot whenever you're looking for a job because either the recruiters when they come to the college or if you're going out and looking for a job, they see that you went to Kelly and graduated from Kelly. That looks really good.
Kelly offers 2 branches of finance to pick from. There's the straight up finance degree and the real estate degree. Both incorporate very similar courses. They both incorporate investment, accounting, all the basic stuff. So you have a well-rounded degree when you end up in either of these branches. You end up with a well-rounded degree.
Some of the skills that are required for this major are communication skills, people skills, problem-solving skills, and analytical skills.
When we were when we were in the thought process for creating the video, we were thinking of different things we could do to try to influence you more about why finance is the best. We're not going to try to convince you that finance maybe is the best, but we're going to try to show you why the other core business majors are not the best. When it comes to accounting, really boring. You just stare at paper all day, analyze numbers, blah, blah, blah. No one likes to do that. Entrepreneurship, way too dangerous. No startup business is ever going to survive nowadays. Entrepreneurship degree does not get you anything, mainly because you want to start your own business. You're probably not going to be able to with today's market. The last core business degree is marketing. Let's face it, there's not really the most money in marketing. You're probably just going to end up with a entry-level marketing job. So at least the business majors, finance is definitely the most helpful. It could get you could have great starting salaries, and just great career opportunities in general.
So from what we've shown you, finance, obviously the best way to go. It offers a good starting salary. It's incredibly rewarding and flexible. It's also pretty fun to hold a job related to finance. If these reasons aren't compelling enough, you can take it up with the finance department.
And they'll own you.